So today we will be discussing about the product from a company called BeyondTrust, and the product name is BeyondTrust Password Safe. So basically, what exactly is a password safe? So when you talk about password safe, it's just like a normal physical safe which you can physically see. uh, about the function. So basically, this password safe is a safe or a vault in which all the passwords and the confidential credentials will be stored by the application, which is called BeyondTrust Privileged Access Manager. So what exactly is privileged access management? So basically, privileged access management is a type of tool which we use in cybersecurity for organizations like an MNC or a well-established enterprise level organization to provide access to multiple resources, especially like uh, confidential applications or internal applications which have confidential data, and also to servers which handles these confidential data.